Okay, this is how to review the 3656. So what I did is that to review, for this one I'm going to clear those transactions that are not cleared in the bank statement. So simply copy the beginning to the ending and use the ending the same date in here. Once that you click, you will see inside that there are lots of transactions that are not yet cleared. So we need this to take out from this 3656, and to simplify, just reclassify this one to uncategorize. Now it would be easy to reclassify if we use credit card credit or for expense method in the recording. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, so this is how we do it. We categorize again to uncategorized asset. Okay. Then later we are going to use this one once that we reconcile other statements. Now why we are doing it, categorizing this one? If you see that if you see this one, it means to say that this is coming from the bank feeds and it's already cleared from 3004, but not in 3656, because if it's cleared in 3656, you will see two links in here. Okay, so that's why for this we are going to correct this 3656 since we are done with the reconciliation up to September. So this is say this particular are not really clear from the bank statements. Okay, about this one, I told you that there's no, you don't have to use, we don't use transfer, okay, type of transaction. We use expense. So this one we cannot categorize this as to asset. Why it's yeah, this one is okay, but for the other is that for the payment of card, it's not really what it doesn't allow us to categorize using the uncategorized asset. Okay, example for this one, let's try. This is a payment for the card. If we use this particular particular type of transaction, payment for the card, and we see that there's not categorized, that is popping up from that, so dropping on the list. So all we need to do is to delete this one because we cannot use the other account for this. Okay, so I'm not sure what account is that. So meanwhile, okay, I think maybe it might fall for 3763 or 0805. So let's try 3763. Okay, for this. But next time, do not use this particular type of transaction. Okay. So also this try to recategorize that to 3763. Because 3763 at this moment is not yet reconciled, so probably it's in there. Okay, for these that are directly counted as deposit, this is a collection actually from the invoice, and the collection was accounted directly to 3656 and it was not cleared. So what we will do in here is that we are going to make turn this one to undeposited funds. Okay, that's it, and let's deal that later. Okay, now that we're done cleaning, just make this close without saving.